Hopefully I'll be able to start up my own shop, not only for like woodworking shop, but like an online website where people can purchase items that I've made. I don't know if honored's the right word, but grateful that Mr. Beecham trusts me enough to use his shop. I feel like it just opens up a lot more, it's opened up a lot more opportunities. One day furnishing a house that I own with only furniture that I've made, it makes everything feel a lot more personal, makes it feel more like home. Follow my Instagram woodworking account at the Amateur Woodworker.
All right.
Little shameless plug-in.
All right.
Buy my merch.